Hey everyone, it's Gardening with Ben. In today's episode, we're going to be planting our Simply Seed broad beans. Now, these are winter varieties. You need autumn or winter varieties, and these are super aqua dulce ones, if that's how you say it. I'm no good at saying these words. But yeah, these are the variety that I'm going to try. There's about 40 in here. The benefits of planting broad beans in the autumn and winter is that when they're ready to harvest, you won't have none of the black flies on them. They'll all be ready to harvest before the black flies start to appear. Because usually if you plant them in March time, you usually get inundated with black fly all over them. So the reason why we plant them now is so that we don't get the black fly on them, and they'll be ready to harvest pretty early as well. So we're going to start these off in seed trays. You can either start them off in the ground or in seed trays. I tend to choose to plant them in seed trays first, is because obviously I'm down at an allotment and there's rats, mice, squirrels, so any bit of food around in the winter time, they'll come and pinch it, and especially when the shoots start coming up, the birds will eat the shoots off them as well. So we're going to start them off in seed trays till they're a nice big height, and then we'll plant them outdoors. So this is the first video of planting them all in seed trays first, so make sure you give us a follow and stay tuned for when we're planting them outdoors. So let's get these planted in seed trays. So these are the sort of seed trays that I'm going to be planting with, so that the roots are pretty deep and they can get growing. So we're going to put a couple in each cell and get them started. So we've put all our seeds in our seed tray, so we just need to cover them over with compost now, give them a good water, put them in our shed and greenhouse and let them start growing. So I've just made a little sign for them as well, put the date on them so that we know which variety we've planted, and hopefully they'll grow well, and then we'll grow them again another year so we know when we've planted them. So let's move them into the greenhouse. So we moved them into the greenhouse, so we just need to keep them watered and keep an eye on them, ready for planting out when they're big enough. So that's been our video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and feel free to follow me as well, so then you can stay up to date with how well everything's getting on. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.